everyone, welcome back to Katarina's Garage. My name is Katarina Lloyd, and we are here with Doug's 51 Ford pickup. What's really cool about this is it still has the flathead in it. It was fully restored, but there's a couple of minor things that could still be fixed, but he's wanting to put a 302 in it and make it a bit of a hot rod in the future. And also make it a little more reliable going down the road as well. So, yeah, let's give you a tour of this gorgeous truck, which is not very big, you know. It's kind of nice that way. So as we can see, the paint is actually in pretty good shape, although it looks like it could be wet sanded a bit, but other than that, you know, it's a Ford F1, so this would be the, essentially the half ton at the time, if I remember correctly. And here we have the old flathead in there. Very good, and she runs great, honestly. I just heard it running, which you guys will get to hear that in the video. You know, and again, just look at the lines. You know, I wish a vehicle still had lines like this, because now they're just shapeless blobs, and it's so sad. And everything just kind of melds together. You know, it still has the gas tank in the cab, which that was done for a very long time like that. It wasn't the safest thing, but, you know, it's what they did back then, right? Very, very cool old truck. And, you know, because he just brought it back into town, I think it was this morning. And if we take a look in the bed, we'll see some beautiful wood with the slats. You know, and it looks like, I'm not sure if that's just bad paint or if that's actually bed linered, but very cool. It's not the cleanest in the world, but it's a very nice build overall. And, yeah, no. It's I don't know a ton on these, because I mean they built these they started in, I think it was 1948, and went with this body style till approximately 54 55, and then they changed it every year pretty much. But you know, like I think it was in 1955 where they did the V grill, and that's how you knew it had a V8 without just seeing the badge on it. But anyways, let's take a look at the inside here. And again, very simple trucks. Like, these were a workhorse back in their day, right? You did not get any luxuries whatsoever. This one does have a updated seat in it, which you can tell because they wouldn't have used this type of leather. They wouldn't have even used leather. It would have been not even a vinyl. It would have been fabric in general. And yeah, if we take a look, you know, the gauges are just gorgeous in this thing, right? I absolutely love them. You know, and this has got the 3 on the tree, which that's something you don't see anymore. Not very many people can drive 3 on the tree anymore. It's kind of sad. It actually does have a headliner in it. I didn't even notice that. It's in very good shape overall. And, let's just see if I can get this thing started. Or I might ask him really quick, actually. Do you mind if I start it, or do you want to start it?
You go ahead.
Okay, cool.
You just have to pull the choke a bit.
Pull the choke? Okay, which one is the choke? In this one.
You just pull that far, turn the key on, and hit start.
Okay, cool. Thanks. There we go. Wow, that started up a lot quicker than I thought it would. Now. And just look, she just sings, right? Like right on the button. Super cool. It looks like it's been converted to 12 volt too, and the starter solenoid where it should be, on the frickin' firewall. Right? It's a cool little truck. Now if you see the engine designation, it's super cool. This is not my normal type of video, but or at least quality as much, but we go. And let's just close the hood. You kind of need to slam old ones, but I don't want to really slam this because it's not my vehicle. But just look at the lines and everything of this truck, right? Anyways, that'll about wrap up this video, I think. I hope you guys did enjoy this one. Like, you know, it's not to the length of my normal ones, but it's just like, because I'm not as aware of, like, I don't know as much on these as I would like to, but, you know, it's all good there. You know, and again, this is Doug's here in Sundre. I'm not going to say where it is, obviously, but, you know, just town-wise. He's part of the Sundre and Olds Auto Group as well, like I am. Once the restrictions lighten back up again, you might see this thing at some of our meets, depending on if he's working or not that day. So, yeah, anyways, hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thank you all so much for watching. If, you know, if you could like, comment, subscribe, every little bit helps me as well. Share it with your friends. And as well, hope you're staying safe during COVID-19. Please follow your local guidelines. And if you want to contact me, you can at Katarina's Garage on Instagram, or Katarina's.garage on Instagram, and Katarina's Garage on Facebook. I'll leave links to those in the description below. And yeah, if you want to contact me, you can there as well. Let me know what you guys are working on, because I always love to see your guys' projects. And yeah, this thing's such a honey. I love this truck. Anyways, I'll chat to you all later. Bye! Pikachu!